Hello students, welcome you all to St. Joseph PU Science College, Vijaypur. Myself Shahnawaz, biology lecturer. So today we are going to discuss one of the topic taxonomic category from the chapter 1 living world from first PU. So students, what is exactly the taxonomic categories, what it explains, what it contains, that everything we are going to discuss in today's class. There are more than 1.7 to 1.8 million living organisms are present in all over the world. So if you want to study about clearly each and every living organism, it is very difficult. So that's reason here scientists have made it very easy by making all these living organisms in a specific group. So they are arranged all the living organisms in a specific order. So let us study about those all the things in the topic taxonomic categories. So students, so this we can understand by taxonomic arrangement. So what is exactly all these things we'll discuss. So before we go to the content of taxonomic category, here let's see what is exactly the meaning of taxonomy. Here taxonomy is nothing but it is a branch of biology which deals with the study of classification of living organisms. So basically it is one of the branch of biology, students, in which we basically going to classify the living organisms. So for what reason we are classifying? So that we can easily understand the characteristics, the features regarding about all the living organisms. So basically the taxonomy was developed by Carolus Linnaeus. The pioneer of taxonomy is none other than that is Carolus Linnaeus. Okay students, so this is what about the definition of taxonomy. Now the main content of our topic is taxonomic categories. What do you mean by that? Taxonomic category, what is the meaning of this? So classification involves hierarchy of steps in which each step represents a rank. It is called as what? Taxonomic category. So students, here basically when we are doing classification of the living organisms, there is a hierarchy of. Hierarchy is nothing but means what? What do you mean by hierarchy, students? Here it is the systematic representation or systematic arrangement of organisms, or the organisms are arranged in a systematic order. That is what we call as what? Hierarchy. So the every hierarchy has some of the steps, students. When we are classifying the living organism, there are specific steps are there. So these steps, each step is going to represent a rank, one of the step. Every step is going to be represented as what? Rank. This rank is nothing but what? Taxonomic category, and all the ranks all together called as what? Taxonomic categories we call, students. So in this way, what? The taxonomic category is nothing but it is a rank in the classification. When we are doing the classification of living organisms, in that there are several ranks will come. Each rank is considered as the taxonomic category, and all the ranks all together called as what? Taxonomic categories. Okay, so here these ranks are considered as the units of classification, students. So basically each and every rank is considered as the unit of classification. So let us discuss what exactly the meaning of taxonomic hierarchy here. Hierarchy, as already I said you, it is the systematic grouping of organisms, where taxonomic hierarchy is nothing but whatever the all categories are there. So all the taxonomic categories together, constitute the taxonomic hierarchy. So altogether whatever the taxonomic categories will come, and what we are going to arrange in a proper systematic order, no, that is nothing but taxonomic hierarchy. So students, here how taxonomic hierarchy are being arranged, what are the taxonomic categories, how they are being arranged. So here taxonomic hierarchy can be shown by ascending order or in the descending order. It means what, students? Ascending means from lower to higher, descending means from higher to lower. So these categories are being arranged in two ways: ascending or descending, lower to higher or higher to lower. Let's see what are exactly the taxonomic hierarchy or taxonomic categories. Okay students, here now all the taxonomic hierarchy can be arranged in a ascending order or in a descending order. So what do you mean by ascending here, students? Here ascending means lower to higher, or descending means higher to lower. Okay students, so what are the taxonomic hierarchy here? That we will discuss one by one. Let's see here. First is what? That is kingdom. Second one is phylum. Third one is class. Fourth one is order. Fifth one is family. Sixth one is genus. And the seventh one is species. These are the 7 taxonomic hierarchy, or we can say altogether these are taxonomic hierarchy. Each one is called as taxonomic category. Kingdom is a taxonomic category. Phylum is called as a taxonomic category. Class is one taxonomic category. Like this, all the 7 are considered as the taxonomic categories, and altogether this systematic arrangement is called as what? Taxonomic hierarchy. So students, here even each one of the taxonomic category is also called as what? Taxon. Each taxonomic category is also called as what, students? Here taxon, or I said you already before this, that is called as what? Rank. Each step is considered as one rank. Each step is considered as a taxon. Each step is considered as what? Taxonomic categories. All are the same words. So these taxon are called as the basic unit of classification, students. These all are considered as what? The basic unit of classification. So here now ascending descending is what? Basically what ascending means, from lower to higher. So if you go through this way, if you are going through this way, it is called as ascending order, students, from lower to higher. Suppose if you are coming from first kingdom, then phylum, class, order, like this. If you are coming from top to bottom if you are coming, then it is called as what? Descending. It means higher to lower you are going to get. That means what you are getting, students? So species is considered as the lowest level of classification, whereas kingdom is considered as what? The highest level of classification. So in this way what? The taxonomic hierarchy, taxonomic categories are being arranged. So let us study about them one by one. Here, okay students, here what? These are the all taxonomic categories. So this system of classification is mainly going to help us to get the similarities and dissimilarities between the every living organism. So based on their characters, their habitat, their all the features, based on that, whether they are similar, whether they are dissimilar, based on all these categories, every living organisms can be arranged in a specific group. And these are called as what? Taxonomic categories. We will understand one by one about all these taxonomic categories, what it explains, what is species, what is genus, all the taxonomic categories one by one we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.